Welcome to All Saints Catholic School e-learning. The big idea we will be looking at today is design development. By the end of this video, you will have an understanding of how to develop a design idea. What is development? Firstly, let's explore the etymology of our big idea and develop our understanding of what this really means. In the design process, development is when a designer reviews their current design and asks themselves of how they could improve that design. Improvements may be aesthetic changes of how the product looks or its size, but the changes could also be functional. Maybe the product needs a different mechanism to open the drawer, or the existing handles are too small. During this process, the designer will ask for user feedback by taking any prototype models and asking for honest thoughts and opinions about the design at that stage. The designer can then choose to implement any of those changes suggested by the target user. Why do designers develop ideas? Designers develop ideas because it allows them to expand their range of ideas beyond their current thinking, allowing them to evaluate and review their current designs and consider other materials they could use, looking at different manufacturing processes, exploring the different way their product functions and the overall aesthetics of the product. Let's talk about design fixation. When developing ideas, in most cases, students tend to focus on developing the aesthetics of the product rather than the function. When developing our ideas, it's significant to try and avoid design fixation. Design fixation is the designer's inability to consider multiple strategies to solve a design problem, where a designer takes inspiration from existing items but produces a very similar or a safe outcome and will ignore better ideas just because it doesn't follow the norm or fit the template of what already exists. For example, there are many chairs that have 4 legs because those designers are fixated that a chair must have 4 legs. But why is that? Who said chairs must have 4 legs? As a designer, can you think of any strategies you can utilize to help you keep your ideas fresh? Interesting fact, James Dyson created 5,217 prototypes before he invented his first vacuum cleaner. What is annotations? First, let's explore the etymology of our big idea and develop our understanding of what this really means. When annotating our design idea, we need to communicate our thought process. ASCS FM stands for the following: A for aesthetics. For this section, we mostly talk about how the product will appear. How does the product feel? Is it textured? Is it smooth? Is it shiny? So you try to use the descriptive words to explain the appearance of that product. Is it bright? Is it dull? What color is it? Why did you choose it to have it that color? So you're explaining about how the product looks, how it feels. And then we move on to cost, where we start thinking about how much our product will cost to make or how much would it cost to buy. And then from there, we start thinking about the customer. Customer, who is going to buy this product? Who will use this product? So we think about the customer that would actually go and buy that product to the consumer, the person who would actually use that product. Thinking about the environment. So we're on E now. E thinking about how does the product affect the environment? How is it going to be made in terms of, can you use something that is recycled onto size, where you need to specify about the length, the width, the height of the product. So you know exactly what size this product is going to be, and you have to specify the exact measurement. And then moving on to safety. Safety, thinking about when you're designing this product, is this product safe to use? Is the consumer going to be able to use this product safely? If not, then in your design process, you will overcome those issues and you will find solution, whether it's through modeling or whether it's through more research. From there, moving to function. Function is probably one of the most important annotations, where you need to explain how does your product work. What does it do? What is the purpose of this product? And then moving on to material. Think about this product you're designing. What material is it going to be made from? Are there going to be any components? And then thinking about manufacturing, again, this is another very, very important element that you need to include. Thinking about, how are you going to make this product? Is this manufacturing technique suitable for this product that I'm going to make? You need to think about how you're going to make the prototype, as well as, if this product was manufactured, what process could you use, and is that process suitable? You need to look into different manufacturing processes to see which one will be suitable for your product. Interesting fact: annotations are actually more important than the design idea, as these communicate the design process. You now have a secure understanding on how to develop a design idea.